New topic. What is a healthy mouth? This is brought to you by Naperville Family Dental Care, and this is Dr. Odell. Simply, a healthy mouth is as follows. Gums are pink, teeth are white, no holes in the teeth. Pretty simple. Teeth are embedded in the bone, stuck in there nice and solid, they don't move. And the teeth consist of three different layers: enamel, dentin, and pulp. Enamel is the hardest part of the body. It's 97% mineral content, hardest substance in the body. It feels no pain. Dentin is 30% softer and it's alive. Feels just about everything. And the pulp is the brain and the heart of the tooth, and it feels everything. It also helps regenerate the tooth from inside out. In order to survive, we need to eat foods. Sometimes we eat healthy foods, sometimes we eat unhealthy foods. But what's really important about the healthy mouth is this. As we eat our food, and if it stays in a moist environment, which is our mouth, plus the amount of time that it stays on there, it basically rots. And that is the key to everything we're going to talk about next. And that is that at any point in time, there's 1,000,000 or more germs living in our mouth. They love to live everywhere on our teeth, on our gums, on our tongue, and they're hungry. Yes, they are. And they eat the same rotten food that we leave for them. So they start eating. And once they get full, well, they have had a good time. So then they have to really get rid of the waste in their body. Yes, they do produce waste. And I know it's gross. And what is that waste? It's acid. Yes, it's acid. And what does the acid do in the mouth? Let's see what it does. Let's look at the tooth now. That's a big picture. Now let's take a closer look and look at this. There's lots and lots of grooves. And yes, there's plenty of germs eating food. And we brush, and we think that we've got it all. But not even one bristle can get into those deep grooves. So guess what? Germs gotta go. And yes, when they go, they produce acid. And when acid sits on the teeth, and more importantly below the surface, we get a cavity. Yes, a huge crater underneath the surface. How deep does that crater go? Well, it can go as deep as the heart and the brain of the tooth. Yes, the pulp. And that's where the pain kicks in. And that's not all. The acid also eats away at the gums and the bone. And it eventually eats away so much that the teeth start to get loose and fall out. And that's what we actually call gum and bone disease. Another name for it is periodontal disease. So what can you do? And what can we do to help you? Well, don't worry, we'll discuss that at our next video. Meantime, if you have any other questions, please give us a call at 630-369-8950 at Naperville Family Dental Care. Thank you.